API. API stands for Application Programming Interface. An API allows two applications to communicate with each other. It is a connection between applications. Let's understand API using an example. Suppose you visit a restaurant. You don't directly go to the chef and place your order, right? But you wait for the waiter and then place your order. So the waiter here is the API. Now, say I have a shopping website named Amazon. In Amazon, different products from different companies are available. For example, products from company X, product from company Y, and product from company Z are available here. Consider you are my client and you ordered a phone from company X through my website Amazon. So now I have to check the details and availability of the product with company X. So my website will need access to its data. But wait, if company X gives full data access to Amazon, isn't it compromising with its security? Because Amazon will have the access to all the personal data of the company as well. So here API comes. So the company X will create an API where only the required information for Amazon is present. In other words, it exposes only the required data. So in this way does not compromise with its security, and the third parties like Amazon are able to check the availability of the product as well. Hope you understood the concept of API.